Hi everyone. We are bringing Workspace 360, your AI-powered Salesforce personal assistant, powered by Agentforce AI, built for sales engineers and sysadmins. Salesforce users lose context every single day. A sales engineer logs back in, no idea what was urgent. A sysadmin sees a production error and has to manually hunt through a logs. Audit trails and tickets, there is data everywhere, but no intelligence connecting it. That's what Workspace 360 fixes. Workspace 360 is an AI powered assistant built natively on Salesforce and Agentforce. No external tools, no integrations. It lives in utility bar and adapts to who you are. Sales engineers get session restore, sysadmins get real time incident triage. Same agent, same interface. Let's move on to the demo. Here we are logged in with a non-sales admin, and this is the agent force for them. And if I write what was I doing recently, let's click on that, and then we will see the prompt that instant session restore, last records, timestamps, one click to navigate back. Now you can see here, if I click on click here, we are opening the Workspace 360. It will give the overview of everything, pulling pending approvals, giving what records we were working on, overdue tasks, approvals, and everything. And now if we go for resume session, then it will open the latest record what we wanted. So now let's move on to the sales admin uh, agent force cycle. If I go here and sales and then open the agent force, let's talk here about that the errors. So if I ask any errors today, it will fans out across Apex jobs, debug logs, and incident store, ranks by severity, root cause analysis, errors take trace, and correlated audit trail changes all in one response. We can ask for every other ones like this one also, it will tell us everything. And then we have the Workspace 360 over here. We will have the whole idea of what's going on in the org in last some days, 1 day options, 3 day, 30 day, and so on. And we can see everything here. If you open that, it will just clarify more, and then it will help us in troubleshooting all those things. So now let's talk about that how we built it. Session tracking, a utility LWC global tracker polls the URL every 1.2 second, works on any object, zero config, and upserts visits into user workspace context data model. Incident triage happens with the sysadmin. We built on error log adapter driven by custom data. You point it any org's error log object, map the fields, and it normalizes everything into W360 incident log hourly. No code changes for a new org. 10, uh, 10 agent force invocable method actions, each focused, each callable by the agent autonomously. That chaining is exactly what Agentforce enables that no dashboard or chatbot can. Data model is here. You can jump to the PowerPoint slide again, and then we can see here how the data model looks like. This is our technical depth slides, how it working, and then this is our data model. We are using three objects mainly: a user workspace context for sessions, incident log for incidents, and error source custom metadata for adapter config. That's the entire data model. We can say here an SE loses 15 minutes a day restructuring contacts across 50 reps, is thousands of hours lost selling a time a year. Sysadmin flying blind during a production outage costs real money every minute. Workspace 360 eliminates both natively and with no security review, no extra cost, no integration overhead. This is the shipped version, and this is a roadmap coming up the sales integration. Thank you so much for your time.